Now 5:07, a lot going on this weekend. Of course, we got Father's Day too, and the heat just making itself known.
Yes, the good news about the weekend, though, is that we're going to have a little less humidity across central Georgia, thanks
Always
to
a win.
what you could call a cold front, although it's not going to bring as much cold conditions. Cooler, but not cold across central Georgia, but the drier air is what we're going to notice. Let's take a live look at downtown Macon this morning. Current temperature still in the mid-70s, 76 right now, and the dew point's pretty close to that at 72, so still a humid start this morning. The drier stuff is not going to arrive until we get into the weekend. Here's a look at the temperatures around the area. Mid to low 70s, 76 in Macon, 73 Warner Robins. Actually still hanging on to 78 down there in Montezuma, 8 minutes after 5 this morning, and it's like that across the entire area. 81 in Americus, 75 in Vidalia, and 73 in Swainsboro this morning. Factor in the humidity, does feel a few degrees warmer than it actually is out there. Now, we don't have a whole lot going on across central Georgia, but through the overnight hours, parts of northern Georgia into Alabama, several rounds of thunderstorms up there, even a few severe thunderstorm warnings. We do have the potential to see a few of those as we head into the day today. We also are all in a heat advisory for feels like temperatures at 103 to 108 today. That's going to run from 11 a.m. to 8 p.m. tonight. We are just 2 degrees shy of that excessive heat warning. Here's the hour-by-hour forecast for the heat index today, starting to feel like 100 between 10 and 11 a.m. up to 108 by the time we get to 3. But notice the drop off there to 98 and 93, 5 and 6. That's a shower working through Macon and help on the humidity front and the temperature front as we head into the evening hours. Now, the front this weekend is going to come on through a Saturday, late Saturday into Sunday. Biggest impact is going to be this drop in humidity by the time we get to Sunday. So the dew points are going to be comfortable with temperatures in the 90s for both Saturday and Sunday. And notice we don't rebound into the 70s next week. We'll be staying in the low to mid 60s. That's going to keep a cap on a lot of the shower and storm activity that you'll see on the 7-day forecast here in just a moment. Meanwhile, today, like we were just talking about, most of the area in a level 2 risk. This runs from Butler to Montezuma down towards Abbeville, areas to the north and to the east. 2 to 10 p.m. the timing, the potential threats for damaging winds and small hail across central Georgia. So here's what this looks like on future view now as we head into the morning hours. Not a whole lot of activity. It's not until 2, 3 o'clock where we start to get some storms to develop, maybe even just a few showers. It does look like this model run is favoring areas east of Interstate 75, but as you've seen the past few days, the future view is all over the place in terms of the location of the showers and storms. So don't pay attention to the exact location, just know that it's on there. We could do the same thing for Saturday morning. This is 4 a.m. now. Watch for this. We have the threat for maybe some overnight showers and storms, but through the day on Saturday, less of a rain chance as that drier air begins to work in. And then this carries us into Father's Day. Only about a 10% chance of rain with lower humidity. Long range stuff looks good as well into next week in terms of a rain threat. Today we're headed for a high temperature of about 102. A level 2 risk day for severe storms in the heat advisory. Weekend forecast still hot for Saturday, but down to 92 for Father's Day. Drier with less humidity and sunnier. Not going to be looking at as many clouds across central Georgia. Here's how the 7-day shapes up. 102 today, 99 tomorrow, 92 on Sunday. But then we reset that warming trend up to 96 on Monday. 100 for the first day of summer on Tuesday, 104 by Wednesday with the showers and storms and the humidity building back in as we get into the end of next week.